goes at us. Any country word. Oh shit. Trent is doing what? How do I do Discord? All right, I'm gonna talk to him on Discord. Hello?
Hey, what up, Mo?
What up, man? What are you guys doing?
I'm opening these Kato cases, dude. You ready?
You have 2, oh my god.
I got these for 19.
Damn, barely a deal, huh? Dude, these were $2 fucking when I used to open them. Like, when did this happen? Why didn't anyone have the foresight? I used to throw these away because they were taking up space in the inventory.
Really?
God, yeah. They were $2, bro. Anyone could buy them. I'm talking about hollow stickers too. I probably traded By PubFX and Titan hollows and everything. Like, I can't believe how much they're worth now.
I think we gotta do the Gaben prayer.
The Jabin? Let's do it.
Our Father, who orbs in heaven, seeth be thy game. And case begun, them skin to be won, covert and not a mil-spec. Give us this day a stat track knife, and forgive us when we rage quit. As we forgive those who aimbot against us, and lead us not to scam nation, and deliver us a battle scarred. Gaben.
Gaben.
This prayer was asking for a stat track knife, though.
Here we go.
We'll take it.
Here we go, dude. This is it. This is it, guys. First one. Here we go. Please.
Oh.
No!
Oh
my god!
Wait, you were next to the recent hollow, huh?
I know.
I was gonna glide over.
I'm down $1,000 the first game.
Wait, this is 700?
Yeah.
Not bad. I'll give you 250 cash right now for it.
No.
Yo, where do I buy a capsule like this? If you don't get the Titan hollow, I'll keep this going in your honor.
Yo, Train, you want a good song, or are you gonna choose one?
Taylor Swift, trust me.
No.
100%. It's done wonders for me in the past.
All right, here we go, guys.
All right, good luck, man.
Here it is. 3, 2, please. Here we go.
Oh, come on!
Come on, Titan hollow, let's go, Titan hollow. LDLC right there.
No!
Titan hollow is right there, you see it?
In between them, dude.
In between the LDLC and the Titan hollow. Oh my god. All right, bro. I'm gonna open one at this point.
Yeah, that's minus 4K, dude.
Can we see an instant replay on that?
$1,000, so I lost $2,800 between the sticker capsules.
Easy money, dude. $2,800. You wipe your ass with that shit, bro. Don't let it hurt you.
Do another one, dude. You have to.
Do another one. It's $1,900.
Yes, fine. That's fine. Do one more. We'll split one, me and you.
Hey, give me the guy. Give me your guy, dude. I'll buy one too. Fuck it. We'll each buy one and we'll do it. You down?
We'll do it on your stream, yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Well, how about we do an old-fashioned case battle? All 3 of us open it, and whichever one has the most valuable one gets all of them.
What? Fuck!
That's some real shit, dog.
Get a good deal. Get a good deal.
Okay, but is he awake right now?
Can someone fucking wake up? We're trying to buy some shit. Bro,
Guys,
I'm shaking. Like, I need this.
No, wait.
Do we do a gentleman's agreement right here? Listen, I'm feeling like diarrhea coming on right now. It's not.
IBS is starting to act up from the nerves. Yeah, I didn't like this at all.
Dude, wait. I have 2 in my inventory from a long time ago. Oh my god. Was that believable?
No.
Dude, I got the golden kappa in my chat.
Golden Kappa, come to my chat. I have a guy.
What's a golden kappa?
It's in my chat, dude.
What's a golden kappa? I see 1990 on Bitstins right now. I've never bought on Bitstins before. Can I do it right away? Wait, is that my balance? How do I have $1,700 on Bitstins?
You don't very good at this acting stuff, Mo.
What the? Hey, you tell me that. Greek left. What the hell? He's so scared of everything. Can't be scared and hang with the boys like that. So here's what we'll do. I'll take 1 legend, 1 challenger.
Okay.
And you take 2 legends, 1 challenger. Don't ask him if it's cool, dog. This is a drug deal. We gotta get this done, all right?
Bro, no. With the deal he's giving us, I'm gonna ask him if it's cool. You know what? I'm gonna ask him if he wants a fucking tea with a blowjob. That's what I'm gonna ask him.
Right.
Okay.
Tea with milk and sugar.
Hey, I've got a what?
Ooh. I'll go challengers first, okay?
Hold on, wait.
Can you see it?
There we go.
Okay, all right. Here we go. I'm doing the first one. I'm just gonna get this.
Wait.
Rip off the band-aid. No music, no nothing. No prayers.
No music, no nothing. Hit it.
All right, bro. Here we go. All right, come on.
If you get, I'm gonna go crazy.
Power, baby. Come on. No. Okay. What's this worth? What? How cheap is this?
Oh no.
I'm applying it to it. Done. God damn, why did I think I was gonna do it? Why did I think it was gonna happen for me?
I got the price. The price for that one is $195.
Oh my god, I'm applying it. Fuck it. All right. Am I doing this next one? All right, bro. I gotta jump right into this. Hold on.
Wait.
What's up?
Should I go next, or do you want to just jump into it?
You want to go next?
I mean, if you want to go, you just go. Fuck it.
All right, bro. Here we go, boys.
Good luck.
All right, what do I want? What's the Titan Hollow? What's the second best?
Titan Hollow. The other best is the Dignitas one,
Dignitas,
LDLC, HellRaisers, and LGB.
So just purple.
Yeah, so pretty high.
Please.
If you get it, bro.
Titan Hollow, please. God damn it, man. Well,
Oh no.
tell them I want my money back.
Okay, so that one, the LGB one, is worth $300.
Cool, dude. It's not bad. Not a bad loss.
You make your money back for one.
Hey, listen, does he want to sell 2 more? Just ask him.
Oh my
Boss!
god.
Boss
That
the
no,
cross.
open right away.
Thank
Here
you,
it
thank
is.
you, thank
Boss,
you.
for you!
All right, man. Turn around.
Titan Hollow.
No!
Oh my god.
It was right there.
It landed! It stopped at the Titan Hollow.
This one is $200. Oh my
God, bro. You're in the cycle, bro. Titan Hollow's coming. Go.
Bro,
Go.
No, dude. That's...
Somebody says you saved 1K. What does that mean?
I mean, you could have got anything.
Yeah, so you didn't really save 1K. You could have it could have been anything. You could have lost.
You actually lost.
You could be
lost
down
15K.
you could be down 13K right now. Idiot.
You don't call me an idiot again, Mo. Do you understand me? You treat me with some goddamn respect. You treat him with some gosh darn respect. You hear me?
Gosh darn it.
You tell him, boy. You tell him.
280. I have my knife is up for sale. The cheapest factory new bayonet doppler in the world right now. No one wants it. Someone bought it. We're in business. Okay.
It's
Check
only
out.
the kids that are saying hurry up.
Oh, I got one right now. I got one. All right. You go, Trade. You go. Because I want you to get the bad ones out of the way. All right, I'm opening mine off. I can't wait. I don't know how you have your patience.
Share screen.
No. This one's gonna go the old school way, bro.
Okay, hold on.
We're going old school. We're going old.
I gotta open your screen. Wait.
All right, boys. Gosh, I'm gonna get out. Like, I'm not even gonna be here for this. All right. I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna hit it and I'm gonna.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back and I hope to God.
Yeah, hit it and leave.
All right, guys. I love you all. If I don't come back, I don't know what to say.
Crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
Come on, I just want to see something.
What if we get the Titan right here? Oh.
God damn it, dude. Dude,
no.
I was waiting to hear like you guys in Discord yell, and when nothing came, I knew it was bad.
Hey, not bad though. $183.
Oh my god, dude. Which one are you opening next?
I don't know.
I'm
What do I open?
scared.
I don't know either anymore. I don't know where's up and where's down anymore.
Reason or I buy power, please. Please, Gavin, this is it. Please. And Mystik, shit, dude, there's nothing in here. Into this one family.
I don't think you should
Twitch
look at
Prime, Tier 1. Join us. Join us and let go. Here it is. Here it is.
Wait. I thought you said here it is. What's he doing? He's dancing.
I mean, it was
Here, what is? Hit it. Hit the unlock. What are you doing?
I'm
All right,
walking
do it,
away.
do it.
I'm walking away. I'm walking away. I'm walking away.
Titan.
Come on, buddy. Eat on this.
Come on, dude.
Do what I said. Yep. Come on, Titan. Everyone scream as loud as you can.
He has wireless headphones.
Listen, man, it happens to the best of us. At the end of the day, man, the real winners here was the chat. The viewers. The people that matter most.
Well, Greek saved $1,000.
Greek was really the smart one here, huh?
He was the smart one.
God damn it.
Honestly, Greek owes us 600 each for wasting our time. Because we bought that deal.
Also backing out.
We bought that deal for him, so he better fucking pay up. You can't argue it. We all made a guaranteed deal together to buy 5. He put us in a hard situation to buy 5, even though he didn't want one. So we were forced to buy it for him with our money. So therefore, well, I mean, I'm down to give him the sticker he would have had, but he owes us 600 each. I'll give him a sticker right now, but I better get my 600.
Should I have invested or did I do good today?
I mean, we're mad at you. You owe us money.
Yeah.
How do I owe you?
You owe
Wait
us
a
money
second.
because the deal was made. We had a gentleman's agreement. You agreed to pay. Okay,
Fucking
and then when it came
dude.
time to pay, you backed out, leaving us in a situation where we had to buy it because our reputations were on the line.
Listen. We'll even give you the sticker, bro. Listen.
Yeah, you'll get the sticker that you.
Oh, nah. Oh hell no! You guys are fucking scammers, dude.
You owe us
There's no
600
fucking way.
each, and I don't know how you want to pay it,
No,
payments or
no.
something, but you're
Yeah,
paying
yeah,
it.
sure.
You're paying it because you
Yeah,
put
talk
us
to
in
my
that
manager.
situation.
My manager will give it.
I'll message TSM if I have to. I'll get you fucking sent back, dog. Straight
Yo,
up.
Greek, listen, bro.
On a stack.
You fucking your homies. You let your homies down. You let us go down with the ship without you, huh?
Mo, you're stressing me out. You're stressing
You let
me
us
out.
go down without you. We're friends.
Mo,
You just
Mo,
let us take the
Mo.
gun to our heads.
Mo,
We had to do
you're
it.
Stressing me out. I'm gonna break my fast, dude. If you carry on, I'm gonna stress you.
Break your fucking fast. Gentlemen's agreement, bro. You know the rules better than anyone. Thanks for the 5K loss today. It was fun, honestly.
Yeah, thanks for the 7K loss. Yeah.
See ya.